To show the same FAQ content in all the products or in all products belonging to a product category, Help FAQ Pro gives you the option to create FAQs with FAQ category and link them to specific product categories or for all products in your store. To do this, go to the admin dashboard of your site and go to Help FAQ, Settings, and Integrations and WooCommerce. Here you can enable the FAQ tab for WooCommerce products. Also choose to have a FAQ search bar and give the FAQ accordion tab a title. The most important thing here is the product FAQ relations section. Here you can set questions and answers in an FAQ category to be displayed on all WooCommerce products or to be displayed only on specific product categories. You need to plan and create FAQ categories so that they can be used for all products or only to specific product categories. So let's see how to create FAQ categories. To create FAQ categories, go to FAQ category in Help FAQ. Here you can give the name, slug and description of a FAQ category. After filling the details, click Add New FAQ Category button and your FAQ category will be created. Repeat the same process for all other FAQ categories. For practical reasons, you can give a name that reminds you where you want this FAQ category to be placed. After creating all the FAQ categories, go to the WooCommerce integration settings of Help FAQ. Here you have to link the FAQ categories that we have created to their respective product categories. We are done and we will save the settings. We have created FAQ categories and linked them to WooCommerce product categories. In the next video, we will add the FAQ content, that is the questions and answers for these FAQ categories, and see how they are displayed in WooCommerce product pages.